Hello everyone, CA PRATIK Gujarati here. Welcome to another important, I'll say very important video on amendment made by Ministry of Home Affairs in FCRA Act regarding filing of Form FC6C. As per this amendment, government has mandatorily instructed to every organization who are registered under FCRA Act to file Form FC6C and open new FCRA Bank Account in New Delhi branch of SBI. So, as per this amendment, every organization who are registered under FCRA Act has to open new FCRA Bank Account in New Delhi branch of SBI, and they have to file Form FC6C. The sole motto behind this amendment is to increase or maintain the transparency of foreign donations received in India and utilization of that foreign donations received in India. Okay. So, this FCRA bank account will not be made operative as your normal bank account unless and until you will file Form FC6C at MHA portal, and once this form is uploaded on MHA portal, you will have to intimate about filing of this form to SBI branch as well. Then only SBI branch will make this account operative. Okay. And overall foreign donations which are received by the organization will be route through this new FCRA bank account which we have opened in New Delhi branch. Okay. If by chance any organization fails to file this Form FC6C or fails to open SBI bank account in New Delhi branch of SBI, then they are not. So, if any organization fails to file this Form FC6C or fails to open the FCRA new bank account in New Delhi branch of SBI, then Ministry of Home Affairs, I can say the FCRA cell of Ministry of Home Affairs will block the normal bank account of this organization. That means this organization will not be able to receive any kind of foreign donation henceforth. So, let's see the live demo of filing of this Form FC6C. So now we are on the homepage of Ministry of Home Affairs, fcraonline.nic.in. Over there, services under FCRA, FCRA online forms, and then in that FC6C intimation, change of designated bank account. We'll click over there. Click to apply online FC6C. Okay. Now this is the login page where we'll put the login credentials of the organization, and before going to filing of this form, I'll suggest to keep few details handy like seal of the organization in the PDF scanned copy, signature of the designated official, and the third thing is letters from both the bank officials like existing banker and SBI New Delhi branch. Okay, so we are on the home page of FC6C, master details. Over here, have you intimated designated FCRA account to MHA? You'll have to click no over here. That is very important. Okay, and these are the details of New Delhi main branch SBI. Please put the account number carefully, very carefully, and date of account opening as well. Okay, put all the details, communication details like email, mobile number of chief functionary, and update the data. Okay, so we have updated the data. These are the bank details of current bank account, existing bank account. Okay, so second point is, do you want to intimate or change another FCRA account? So you'll have to click it as yes and put all the details of your existing bank account over here. All the details, account number, date of opening, etc. and update the data. Data has been successfully updated over here. Now we are moving forward to next page. Please make sure clicking on final submit button in the final submit tab. This is the page of uploading the documents like signature of the chief functionary, seal of the association, and self-certified copy of letters from both the bankers, like from existing banker and the letter received from New Delhi branch of SBI official, that should be signed by the banker. See, I have uploaded signature and seal already, and the letters I have merged in one PDF file. I'll show you the format of this letters from both the bankers. View document, and these are the merged. There is a merged file, PDF file of the letter. This is the letter from existing banker, and the below is the SBI New Delhi main branch. This is the account opening letter which the organization must have received. Okay, so we have uploaded these documents and moving forward, so that we'll receive the draft copy of form FC-6C. We'll have to download this draft copy for our future reference, go through it properly, each and every details which we have put, so that we'll be able to upload the final submission. Okay, now this is the declaration and undertaking. I'll have to click over here from the chief functionary, and will submit this finally, the tab of final submit. Okay, your application is submitted to MHA, and then we'll print this application, and this is the final FC6C form. Download this into your system, and then will intimate to SBI Bank as well once this is submitted. Okay friends, so we have seen the live demo of filing of form FC6C. Okay, we'll have to wait for a few days for approval from the Ministry of Home Affairs, and once this is approved, we'll have to intimate to our SBI branch as well. Okay,